Okay, in this video we will talk about update. Okay, in the last video we deal with insert. Now in this video we will talk about update, how to write the update query. Okay, and this using this stored procedure we will demonstrate something. So as I mentioned, so this tool is a powerful tool. It will give you lots of support to make your life easy. Okay, so let me open that database table first, that document details. Now I want to create one update query. So what I have to do, right click on the table name, then script table as, I have to select the update to on the new query editor window. So it will frame a update query for me. Okay, so you can see this update query has been framed. Update, then some set value, then type, description, link, whatever you want to update. Okay, and the where conditions. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to copy this, send the query. Okay, in this procedure, create handle document detail. In this procedure I will add this query, add my query in this update block. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to replace the parameters, like doc name goes here, doc type goes here, doc description goes here, doc link goes here, is active goes here. Okay, now the main part is the condition. What will be your criteria to update that data? So for this case our condition will be the doc id. So based on the doc id we will update the value. Okay, so I have to fetch these, like doc id, this is basically my column name, doc id is equal to doc id. Okay, so this is variable at the red doc id, because I have given the same variable name with the column name, so that's why it looks like you can give any name. Okay, variable name you can give any. Okay, so this is my doc id, where doc id is this. Okay, so this is the update query. Now I have to do, okay, let me, not doc id, I believe I have given something wrong, a error here, because it also compiles, right? It also compiles. That is why it is displaying the, that column is not available, that is invalid column name it is showing, because I have given wrong column name. Now it will show correctly, it will not throw any error. Okay, so this is the thing you have given. Now I will execute. Now my create statement is done. Now here also you can see a tricky thing, there is already an object named with this. That means you are trying to create, and this object, this procedure already exists. That is why it is throwing the error. So what you have to do, you have to change the parameter to alter. Instead of create, if you write alter, alter means change. It will change the existing procedure, means it will drop the existing procedure and create a new procedure with the new change. Okay, now it is executed successfully. Last one I'm not sure what executed, I think this one executed. Okay, now my insertion complete. I want to update this. Okay, what I want to do is update, and for that I have to change the action type update, right? And now I want to change the names, like document name, instead of B I want to make it C. Okay, type C, this is also C, this is active. And along with that document id, which document id you want to change, I want to update document type 2. So I have to change this parameter as 2. Now let's execute. It returned 0 value. Ultimately it should have execute the update query. So yeah, you can see here, the moment I execute the select query, you can see the doc name, doc type, doc description has been updated. Okay, so this is how we can do update. Okay, we can update any query. Okay, in the next video I will show you about the delete. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Well, if you have any doubt, any query about this video or any technical topics, you can let me know in the comment section. And this is my LinkedIn profile. You can connect with me in the LinkedIn. I basically use this tech stack. Okay, Java, Spring Boot, Angular, Node, Python, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Influx. I use AWS and Azure Cloud. I have little bit knowledge of Linux, shell scripting, C Sharp, MS SQL, Oracle. Okay, so yeah, keep in touch and let me know if you have any doubt in comments. Thank you.